the office had its moment, and people say it couldn't have run in the modern era. It's because that's now our torch to take up and to run, and so this is the Dundies of 2022.
Inspired by the Office's Dundies with the Oakie Awards, 2022 Oakie Awards. The Oakie Awards are the highest and best honor in Connecticut trial firm. Everybody gets a trophy. Everybody gets an award. We have actual trophies. The Oakies are our best kept secret, top secret. We are a law firm that keeps confidential information. This is the highest and most confidential information we have. There's a secret Oakie committee, okay? So the firm doesn't even know who's on the Oakie committee. It's that secret. In government, you can't talk about certain levels of classification. You can't talk about the Oakie committee. All year long, we have an Oakie thread. We keep track of Oakies. Oakie moments can happen at any point in the year. And we then award them at our holiday party.